Hello guys, this is Jeevesh and welcome to another video. And in this video, let's discuss about web scrapers which have created, which is a self-healing. And for this, I have directed towards my folder and pasted this command, and it had started my website. Let's go into the website. Usually, every web scraper eventually breaks. A website changes its layout, and by tomorrow morning, your data is wrong. Someone has to notice, someone has to fix it. Until then, you're blind. Traditional scrapers are fragile. One class named, renamed, one container reordered, and the whole pipeline collapses silently. Companies burn engineering hours patching selectors instead of shipping features. WebMedic is different. It detects the moment a scraper breaks, it generates a repair candidates, tests each one against real data, and only promotes the fix that passes a strict quality gate. Here's a healthy scraper pulling 20 products from a demo store. Every field extracted correctly, name, price, rating, availability. The health score is 100%. Let's start the 60 seconds demo. Let's register the Metro cart, run the healthy layout. Yeah, let's break the website, run and heal, and let's see the candidates. Yeah, my web scraper has formatted every detail correctly and in order, which is shown here. WebMedic notices immediately. It generates 6 repair candidates from different sources: stable attributes, class synonyms, structural neighbors, historical winners, and that passes the safety gate goes live. Next, every repair is auditable. You see the exact selector that replaced the broker one and the exact score that let it through and every candidate the lost. No black box, no guesswork, just evidence. And if anything ever looks wrong, one click rolls back to the previous one. And here is the rollback to V1. And that's it. WebMedic self-healing web scrapers built for ScrapeVerse 2026. The code is open source. Link in the description. Thank you.